the best apples is Pink Lady apples. They taste so good. All these beets is little. She's a fatty. I can't remember what I said. Beets, apples. What you hate at? You go to the store and you forget what you came in here for. Oh, coconut water. Man, he about to tear my fucking legs up. They coconut water. They only got the little ones. Had to get four of them hoes. $49.17. Not so bad. And that's all she wrote, man. I got my beet and apple juice and one apple juice. I'm gonna drink these for just, when for as kind of like a snack, kind of. It is very fulfilling. Like once you get in the groove of all of this stuff, it do become fulfilling. Like where it'll fill you up. I got me some smoothies. I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator for like when I'm super hungry or whatever. That can be like the dinner or whatnot. And then I got my shakes here. I put some of this mud water up in here. It's mushroom powder or whatever. So it's all ground mushrooms to help you focus and all of this. And yeah, this is supposed to be all in one. Like I said before, the Kachava, the all in one nutrients to make you full throughout the day. And what I'm gonna do, I left a little bit of room up here because I'm gonna ground some of this granola up and put it inside. But I don't want to put it inside now and then it gets mushy. So once I drink some, I'm gonna put it inside. Love you.